Today I will show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 in your Shopify store. So let's go started, and before starting please subscribe to my channel and follow us on Facebook. So let's start. This URL link is analytics.google.com. Then we'll go to the start measurement. Then we'll click the name, maybe your client name. Then we'll click here. Then everything next. Then property name, your website name. Okay, so website is COYBAOVZ. Okay, then your time zone, Germany, maybe Euro. Germany. Then we'll select advanced option. We create an universal property right here. Then your website URL. Okay, then I will go to my website. Then store. This is the website. Okay, then I will click here only without HTTPS. Okay, because HTTPS are here. Okay, HTTPS. Okay, confirming. Then create a universal Google Analytics. Okay, and then next you can create both Google Analytics or Universal Analytics from here, or you can create a Universal Analytics. So I will create the Universal Analytics. So I will click next, then choose your website type. Okay, and select your category, then your business size, then select all, or you can create some, then create. Then select your country, Germany. Okay, and then click here, then click here, and then accept. Then click all, then save. Okay, try the new analytics mobile apps. Okay, we'll check this notification. Okay, no link analytics search console. Okay, we don't need it now right now. So this this is the global site tracking code. Copy paste this code in the head every web page onto the track. So this is the code we will copy and we'll check. Okay, the analytics is there. Okay, then we'll copy this code and we'll go to the analytics our website, then theme, then three dots, then theme editors. Check this be carefully where it is paste this code as first item into the head. So I will click here, and this is the head. Okay, this is head, and I will make a space here, then I will paste here. Okay, then I will save it. Okay, then I will check my website again. Okay, so I will audit this website, then I will check the Google Analytics. See, the Google Analytics are check marks. Okay, That's means it's settled. Okay, so this is the process of setting up Google Analytics course. I hope all of you are understand, and if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. I will answer. And please subscribe my channel and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.